And hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the stream! Wait, it's not a stream, it's a video! Oh! It's a video! Well, guess what? It's time to do the first ever, or second ever, whatever, of my channel, where we're doing a setup tour, guys. Oh my god, it's better than a house tour. You guys want a house tour, but guess what? You need a setup tour. Which is like that in a sense, you know, the usual. But anyways, let's get it right, crack-a-lackin' to you. Stick to the neck to. Alright, so as you can see, is my beard, the beautiful beard setup tour. It's also part of the beard tour, you know, this right here. Anyways, so this right here is my face, and right here is my beautiful setup. Now I do have 3 screens, but that's where the 3rd screen is. This is the gaming setup, and I want to stack it out later, make it look better. But the Xbox One, just the normal Xbox One, the Wii, all that stuff. This is my gaming TV where I look to play the games. Here's my gaming chair, nice and gaming chair. I really like it. I love it a lot. Some of y'all may remember doing that. My decked out desktop PC in my closet. My monitor and my second monitor. I use the blue snow for my mic. I use blue snowball. That's why the quality is so beautiful. I might do more videos, by the way. But anyways, HD capture card. I use Elgato HD60. And I have 3 webcams. And this is the one I use usually is the Logitech HD60. Logitech C920. That's what I use. I'm thinking about getting the 60 frames, but I'm not sure about that. But that's later. And then let me think. Super NES Classic, all the good stuff. But yeah, I think that's it. Oh, the mouse, wireless mouse, speaker over there. I want to start using that speaker more often. For what I need to do. Anyways, that is the setup tour. There will be more videos like this. I'm planning to do a lot of vlogs, like just talking with you guys and just hyping out and just talking with you all. So let me know if you want this kind of video, because I want to make more videos, not just streams, but videos too. Because you know this is a YouTube channel for basics, not just streams of videos. Alright guys, and girls, and Apache helicopters. I will see you all next time. And balloon boys and balloon girls, chicas, all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Till next time, peace out in the anime Armani and high five.